Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. Today in this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you have a MagSafe Power Bank but MagSafe Power Bank not working on Android device, it's not charging properly as you can see guys, or not sticking at all. Don't worry, I am going to show you how to fix this all problem step by step. MagSafe Power Bank is specially designed for iPhone with built-in magnets. Okay, most Android phone don't have those magnets, so the power bank does not align correctly with the phone. That's why you can't able to charge your Android phone. First, make sure your Android phone support wireless charging or not. You need to check this. If your phone does not support it, the power bank will not work at all. You can check your phone specification for this issue. Okay, if your phone support the wireless charging, you can try the next method. If you're using a back cover, you need to use MagSafe compatible case or magnetic ring. Okay, this add magnet to your Android phone, help the power bank stick properly. This is the most effective solution to fix this issue. Also, you can try the next method. Place the power bank at the center of your phone, move it slowly until charging start. You will feel the correct position. Okay, if you are using a thick or metal case, it can block wireless charging. Remove it and try again. If wireless is unstable, use a cable charging for faster and stable output. Also, you need to check your phone setting. Open the phone settings, and in the phone settings here you need to check wireless charging. Wireless charging option is there and the option was disabled. You need to turn it on from your phone setting. Also, you need to update your phone one time. Go to software update and update your phone. After doing this guys, it will helps you to fix your problem. So also you need to remember one thing guys, like iPhone, all power bank support MagSafe will not work properly on Android, but trying these fixes you can make it usable. Hopefully now your problem should solve. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.